Alright, Dean here again from Laws Automotive in beautiful Portage la Prairie, Manitoba, and it is hot and sticky out here today, so excuse my face, it's very, very drippy. This is part 2 of the mouth-watering review, tool review. We have this all set up. It works pretty good, actually. I was pretty excited. I didn't get the camera right away, and it was producing smoke like almost instantly. Within 5 to 10 seconds, it's smoke everywhere. I'll get you guys on top of that now. Closing valve is closed. Let's turn this guy on and I'll show you how quick the smoke comes up. Look at this. This is ridiculous. And here comes the smoke. It is so smoky. There is so much smoke in here. It is ridiculous. Like it is filling up this entire area with a citrusy smell. It's crazy. You can't really tell on the camera, but I'll tell you what, there is a lot of smoke. You would not be disappointed having this, because I am not disappointed at all. So we'll shut that off. We have a P0420 is what we're dealing with today. We're going to turn this back on and we will see how it operates. We already know the smoke is ridiculous. You have to be here in person or else you won't have the same respect that I do right now for this. The amount of smoke that you see is nowhere near the smoke that's actually in real life. I wish the camera would pick that up, but it doesn't. Okay, so we're going to turn this on. It's see the ball is way up at the top, but what it's doing right now is it's filling the cavity of the charcoal canister, and it's also filling the lines and everything else right to the back of the fuel tank. So we're going to give this a second for it to build pressure. And as you can see, it is starting to build pressure. Keeps dropping down, so you got to give it a second for it to actually fill the system up. It's not going to give you an accurate description right away. But we do have bar or inches of mercury, whatever you like to use. I like to use inches of mercury from one way, or bar the other way, positive. So the pressure is on the right and the negative is on the left. So if you're producing a vacuum, like this thing is a dual purpose. Say if you had a vacuum system that's leaking, you can actually see the inches of mercury that will be on there when it's running. When this thing is shut off and you close the valve, it'll give you the inches of mercury, which is super, super handy. It's a 2 tool in 1 type of thing. So we're dropping down to close to around 20.02. A little bit. Yeah, just a little bit below. So we're doing good there. Start taking a look at everything here. There's nothing cracked on the charcoal canister. I don't see any of the lines leaking. I'll take you if I find something. All right, for this mouth-watering series, I just wanted to show you how well it's working. We're right below close to 0.01 10th leak, which is very, 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 very minimal. I can hear the purge control solenoid actually jiggling. See, when I hit that, it starts to bounce up even higher. I can take the purge control solenoid out and show you that it's leaking, but that's where we'd be having the slight, very slight leak coming from. We just wanted to give you performance on how well this works in the smoke. I'm very pleased with it. There's not much else I can show you today besides the tool in operation, how fast it worked, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased. The amount of smoke coming from this thing is ridiculous. You can only tell it in person. I was looking at the video and it doesn't seem like very much smoke on the video. But I'll tell you what, there's a lot of smoke coming out of this thing, like a lot of smoke. it's dropping down even further. After I tapped that purge control solenoid, that's exactly where the leak is coming from. Okay, part of the MWR, mouth water review. Stay tuned for the next unboxing and tool using review coming up next. Look forward to the MWR.